This is part 14 of Physics for Competitive Exams. This video is a second in series of questions related to heat and thermodynamics. Now let's see the MCQs. A good observers are good emitters. This statement is given by Kirchhoff, and this law is called as Kirchhoff's law of radiations. This law states a black body which absorbs all the radiation which falls on it completely emits all the radiations of all wavelength. The next one, Wien's law is valid for smaller wavelengths. We can apply Wien's law only at a lower temperature. So we cannot apply it to radiations consisting of higher temperature. So we can apply Wien's law only for smaller wavelength. This one is a very easy one. The thermal conductivity of a bad conductor is measured by Lee's disk method. The efficiency of heat engine does not depend on the working substance of the generally we know the efficiency depends upon, or the efficiency is given by eta is equal to T1 minus T2 divided by T1. So it depends on the temperature of the sink as well as the source. So whatever be the working substance, it does not affect the efficiency of heat engine. Joule-Kelvin effect is an example of irreversible process. So once the gas from a high pressure area is forced to move to the lower pressure area, there is a decrease in temperature. If you do the reverse process, we will not get the gas at the same temperature. Hence, it is an irreversible process. This one is an easy one. During an isobaric process, which of the following quantity remains constant? We know isobaric. Iso means same, bar means pressure. Hence, pressure remains constant during an isobaric process. The ratio of Cp and Cv of any substance is called adiabatic index. This is used in many by chemists and engineers, which is given by gamma. Gamma is equal to Cp by Cv, and it is called as an adiabatic index or isentropic ratio or heat capacity ratio. In either way, it is called. In Joule-Thomson effect, the temperature decreases. So when they go from a region of higher pressure to a lower pressure, when a gas is allowed to pass through the porous plug from a region of high pressure to a lower pressure, there is a decrease in its temperature. A cooling effect is observed. So there is a decrease in temperature. Which among the following is not a symbol of a thermodynamical potential? Out of the four options given, the first option, yes, the entropy is not a function of or is not a symbol for a thermodynamical potentials. Whereas G is the Gibbs free energy, F is the Helmholtz function, and H is the enthalpy. These are thermodynamical potential, whereas the entropy S is not a thermodynamical potential. And the last one in this series is the Carnot cycle on the TS diagram is a rectangle.